Hello students, today we will discuss second lecture of set theory. Okay. First question is that which of the following are sets? Okay, the collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. Is this a set? Yes, obviously this is a set because if you collect all those month having first letter as J, then you can write it like this. First is January, then June, then July. So I can write like this, you can write like this, any other one can write like this. So only these 3 months will be in this set. So this is a set. This is well defined set. Then second, the collection of 10 most talented writer of India. So 10 most talented writer of India. So this is not well defined. Why this is not well defined? Because the word is talented. So for me a person is talented, but for you that person may not be talented. So the talented cannot be defined. So talented cannot be defined in the sense that for a particular man you cannot say that he is talented. For me he may not be talented, but for you he may be talented. So this is not well defined. So this is not a set. Third, a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. Best cricket batsmen of the world is not a set. Why? Because it is not well defined. Why it is not well defined? The word best. Best cricket batsman, for you Rohit Sharma may be best cricket batsman of the world, but for me he may not be a best cricket batsman of the world. For me, again for another person, Virat Kohli may be a best cricket batsman of the world, but for me Virat Kohli may not be a best cricket batsman of the world. So for different person, this best word will affect the list. Suppose you are making a list of cricket batsmen, then this word will affect it. How it will affect? If you are writing best cricket batsman according to you, then I can write best cricket batsman according to me. So this word is harming. So this is not a set. Fourth, the collection of all boys in your class. This is well defined, because if I ask you to write all the boys' name in a list, then you can write it. And again, if I going to do the same task, then again I will write all those names that you have already written. So this is well defined. For you the student's name will be fixed, and for me also this is fixed. So the collection of all boys in your class is a well defined collection. So this is a set. Option 5, the collection of all natural number less than 60. So the collection of all natural number less than 60 is fixed. 1 to 99. Number 1, 2, 3, 4 like this up to 99. Less than 6. So this is fixed. So this is a well defined collection of objects. So it is a set. 6, a collection of novels written by writer Munshi Premchand. The writer name is Munshi Premchand. So this collection is well defined. How? The way is that the number of novel he have written is fixed. No, suppose up to now he have written 10 novel. I don't know how many novel he have written, but suppose he have written 10 novel. Then if I ask you to collect all those novel name, then it is fixed. You will get some novel name, 10 novel names. Then if I also go to do the same task, then I will also get same names. So this is a well defined collection and it is a set. 7, the collection of all even integers. So collection of all even integers is a well defined collection, because this is 2, 4, 6 like this it will go on. The collection of questions in this chapter, it is also fixed. Suppose you have a chapter and there are some questions. So collection of all questions number is fixed, the questions are fixed, everything is fixed. For me the number of all those questions is exactly same to you also. So 8 is also a set. 9, a collection of most dangerous animal of the world. This is not a set. The most dangerous, this term harming the well definedness of a set. How? Because for me tiger may be a most dangerous, but for you tiger may not be a most dangerous. Next, write a set A in set builder form. I have already told you set builder form and roster form or tabular form in the previous class. So we now will go through some examples. Okay, first example is that write the set A equal to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 in the set builder form. So how will write in the set builder form? So the format is that A equal to X such that now this part will contain the property of the text. What is the property? The property is that X is a square of natural number. First number is 1 square equal to 1, second number is 2 square equal to 4, third number is 3 square equal to 9, fourth number is 4 square equal to 16, fifth number is 5 square equal to 25. Like this it will go on. You can see 1 is there, 4 is here, so 9, 16, 16, 25, 25. So it is these numbers are square of natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, square of natural number, and it will continue. So the property is that X is a square of natural number. So this is how we can write. Or in another way we can also write like this. It can be also written as X such that this is the property followed by this X equal to n square, where n equal to 1 square. The idea I have given here. So if you take n equal to 1, then the first value of X will be 1. If you take n equal to 2 like this, then the second element will be 4. If you take n equal to 3, then second element will be 3 square equal to 9. So here you can see 9. So like this. Next, write the set B 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18 in set builder form. Okay, you have to write this set as set builder form. So the set, okay, there is a mistake. Okay, okay. In set builder form, see here I have written this roster form. Okay, this is quite wrong. It is just mistake. So you can write in set builder form, because in set builder form we write like this. Okay, again in here this is set builder form, set builder form. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. X such that X is a positive integer and it is a divisor of 18. Okay, this is the property followed by the element of this set. So first one is divisor of 18, second one is also a divisor of 18, third one is also a divisor of 18, fourth one is also a divisor of 18, fifth one is also a divisor of 18, and 18 is itself a divisor of 18. So this is the property followed by this X. Next, write the set C X such that X is an integer and X square equal minus 9 equal to 0 in a tabular or roster form. Now you are asked to write in the tabular form. So the property is this. This is the property. So X should be an integer and X should satisfy this condition. So this condition I have write this condition here. So from this find out the value of X. X equal to 3, X equal to minus 3. See, X equal to 3 and X equal to minus 3 will satisfy this condition. At the same time, this X equal to 3 and X equal to minus 3 also an integer. So the property is satisfied by X equal to 3 and X equal to minus 3. But if you take any other X, suppose X equal to 2, this is an integer, but this is not, but this X equal to 2 will not satisfy this condition, because 2 square minus 9 does not equal to 0. Why? Because 4 minus 9 is not equal to 0. Okay, so the set C can be written in the tabular form as C equal to minus 3 and 3. Question number 4. Write the set D X such that X is an integer and 1 equal to X plus 1. Same format. So here the set X, the element X, the set will contain element X. I don't know the element. The element is the element that I have to take will be defined by this condition, this property. The property is that X should be an integer. X is an integer. First of all, it should be an integer, and second, it should satisfy this condition. So I have write this condition here. So from this condition you will get the value of X. This is X equal to 0, which is an integer, and the set D can be written in the roster form as D equal to 0. So only element is that this is X equal to 0. Other element will not belongs to this set D. Why? Because other element does not satisfy this condition. Okay. So I have some questions over here. So first question, so I will discuss again these questions I have written in the later slides. First question, write the set A x such that x is a natural number less than 6 in row star form. So how you will write the solution? So in row star form it can be written like this. So x such that x is a natural number less than 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the natural number less than 6. It is very clear. But if it given like this, x such that x is a natural number less than or equal to 6, then what will be the set A? What will be the set A? So see the difference. Here the property contains only less than 6, but here it is contains less than or equal to 6. Less than or equal to 6 means x is less than or equal to 6. This is for this, but for this it is like this. 6 is less than 6, simple. So x is strictly less than 6, so I am not permitted to take x equal to 6, so I have not written here 6. But in this set I will write, in this set I will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 also. 6 also. Why? Because I am permitted to take 6 because it is given that less than or equal, this term is there. So like this. So question number 6, write the set x such that x is an integer and minus 2 is less than x is less than 4 in row star form. The set will be like this: b equal to minus 1, 0, 1, this much. Because this sign are only, this inequalities are only less than, only strictly less than, so I have written this. Clear? Next, write the set 2, 4, 6 in the set builder form. How will write this set? So set builder form, the first of all you have write x such that x is a even natural number, less than 7. So the here property of x is a even natural number less than 7. See, even natural number, if I ask you to write the even natural number less than 7, then you will write 2, 4 and 6. No, so this is, you can see 2, 4, 6. So these are all even natural number less than 6. But if you ignore the term less than 6, suppose if you have written, okay, I will cut it. Suppose if you have written c equal to like this, x such that x is an even natural number, then this will not work. Why this will not work? You have to add the term less than 7. Why you have to add the term less than 7? Otherwise, see, if you convert this set builder form to row star form, see, if you have convert this row star form to this set builder form, okay, but at the same time if you convert this set again to the set builder form, again to the row star form, then you must get this 3 element. But here the scenario is different. Here you will get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It will continue because there is no restriction. Here is a restriction. Restriction is that your even natural number should be less than 7. But here is no restriction. You can go like this. No restriction, no limitation. So you will go like this: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, whatever you like. So these are very important point. Okay. In another format, you can write like this: x such that x equal to twice n. where n belongs to natural number and 1 is less than equal to n is less than equal to 3. So here if you take n equal to 1, then x, if you take n equal to 1, then x equal to 2. If you take n equal to 2, then x equal to 4. If you take n equal to 3, then x equal to 6. So we will get this 246 here, 246. So you can also write like this. But this condition is must, okay? If you ignore this condition, the same scenario will happen like this. It will continue. Next, write the set D equal to write the set D in the set builder form. How will you write? So D equal to x such that x is a x such that x, okay, it will not work like this. D equal to x such that x equal to 5 to the power n, where n belongs to n means natural number and 1 is less than equal to n is less than equal to n is less than equal to sorry escape. So okay, I'll D equal to x such that x equal to 5 to the power n, where n belongs to natural number and 1 is less than equal to n is less than equal to 4. So if you take n equal to 1, then 5 to the power 1 equal to 5, it is an element. If you take n equal to 2, then it will 5 square 10. See here, see, I am following this formula, okay? 5 to the power 1, 5 to the power 2, 5 to the power 2, next 5 to the power 3, sorry, this is 25, 5 to the power 3, 125, 5 to the power 4, 625. So you are asked to take n equal to n from 1 to 4, 3, 4. When n equal to 1, the element will be 5. When n equal to 2, element will be 25. When n equal to 3, element will be 125. When n equal to 4, element will be 625. So this one. So you have to write like this. Okay, thank you.